This rain came from, because before I left the house it was not even like it was going to rain. Like my hair is all over the place, like my clothes is literally so freaking wet right now. Oh my goodness. Guys, something crazy really happened just now. Tell me why I'm getting to school now and I'm just finding out that our teacher is not available. Like there is no class today. I had to wake up by 4. Should have just sent the message earlier, like since yesterday. Because it's actually so annoying right now. No class, so.
How?
Wallahi. Erica no dey available for English class. I swear.
Jesus. Oh, I'm not doing this. And I said it so. I said it.
I just got back from school, guys, and it's 2:05 already. Finally, I can breathe for the rest of this year. I'm not going to school anymore. Like today is literally the last day of college. I'm so excited, guys. It's not even funny right now because I'm not even happy. Something crazy happened. Tell me why I got to school. And then I discovered that our first class was cancelled. And then our first class was 9. And then our second class was supposed to be like by 1. I could not cry because I literally woke up by 4 o'clock today just to get to school to hear that our class was freaking cancelled. Today was not funny at all. And again, rain started. See, today has been crazy. These things on this bed, I'm just going to push it to that corner. And so I'm not doing shit today. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Hi guys, good morning. I couldn't talk to you guys yesterday when we got back from the dentist appointment because I had loads on loads of work to do. I was filming up until 5 a.m. this morning. Don't mind the way I look. I was trying out a new product that I got sent yesterday, and guys, this pencil is still on my brows. I didn't even clean my makeup properly last night because I was so tired. My body was shaking. Just had to wipe my face with wipes and just go to bed like that, which is bad, I know. Yesterday we went for our dentist appointment and I wasn't allowed to film because she said that it's not allowed in the NHS. It's not allowed to film inside your appointment. So yeah, I'm just going to give you guys a rundown of what went down there yesterday. I got my teeth checked because I had some fillings to do some time ago, like some months ago. So I just got my teeth checked. And Ivy was supposed to get her teeth checked yesterday too, but she didn't allow the doctor to do her work. Like, she was just like stiffing her mouth. She didn't want to open her mouth or anything. I was like, see, you have to force this girl. And she's like, oh, no, I can't force her. I'm like, no problem. If you think you can't force her. She said, oh, the next time she's going to come here is going to be different. I said, what am I to say on that wise? But anyways, I think I'm going to be ending the vlog here and I'm going to be starting another one today. Yes, that's how this thing is. Because I'm going to be cleaning today. I'm going to be doing like a deep cleaning in this house today. I'm going to be washing the curtains and all because we're going to be hosting visitors now. So yeah, that's just what's going to be going down today. And thank you so much guys for hanging out with me in this vlog as well, and I'll see you all in my next video. This is like day 2 vlogmas and we're going to be starting day 3 today. We are really going forward. Please don't forget to like and comment your thoughts or anything you want to say. Just drop it in the comment section. Okay guys, bye. Bye bye.